Hello friends. In this session we are going to see about what exactly cross-browser testing is. How we know that? Let's get intro. The world first browser was launched in the Europe 1990 and it has been 30 years since unknown to developers can agree which technology to support and which do not. Because of which same website renders completely different on different browsers. Without wasting time, let's quickly move to agenda. Oh, hi everyone. This is Sudhir from BIT University, Chennai. And in this video, I will tell you what exactly cross-browser testing and why we need it. Let's have a look on the agenda for this session. First, I will tell you what exactly cross-browser testing is and why do you need cross-browser testing and how to perform cross-browser testing, advantages of cross-browser testing. Okay. In order to understand the working of cross-browser testing, I will demonstrate one of the useful tool that is cross-browser testing. You can perform cross-browser testing in the official website or www.crossbrowsertesting.com by SmartBeer, which you can test in online. No need to install application to test cross-browser testing compatibility. Okay. What is cross-browser testing? Before we need to know about the what is cross-browser testing, you need to know what exactly cross-browser compatibility. Hope you will like agenda. Before I move ahead. Can I get a quick confirmation as whether I'm audible or not? Okay, let's get started. Okay. What is cross-browser compatibility? Cross-browser compatibility is the ability of website or web application to function across different browsers and operating systems, which means your web applications or website should work absolutely fine across our browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and even across all the operating systems like Windows, Mac, and iOS. But at times that's not the case. And why do we need to understand the concept of cross-browser testing? Okay, I think you understand the what is cross-browser compatibility. Okay, why do we need cross-browser testing? So basically, a cross-browser testing, the main points: cross-browser compatibility with different OS, image orientation, compatibility with new web framework, a JS implementation can be different. Okay, why cross-browser testing is? So basically, a simple website is comprised of three different major technologies. That is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. But there are other hundreds of technologies that is there in the backend. Like you have Python, Ruby node, and this can be used for backend work. Backend work. Okay, but overall, on the front end, in the rendering, only these three main technologies are used. However, each browser uses completely different rendering engine to complete this technology. For example, browser engines like Chrome uses Blink and Firefox uses Gecko, Microsoft Edge HTML and Checker. Okay, because of which same website would be rendered completely different by all these different web browsers, and that's why you need cross browser testing. So in order to better perspective, let's look at the status. Let's look have on this pie chart. Let's have a look at the data that's related to traffic that you get on these browsers. How they say you get a web traffic of around 100,000 people a month, considering 15% of the people use Safari. Only 454 people will be paying customers for you in this month. So if you sum up Safari, IT, and Internet Explorer, then the total number of people will be pay for you will be 455 plus 84 plus 64 plus. So if you have not tested your web application or website on all the browsers, then you will be losing around $7,224. Then you will be losing so much dollars. So our customer per year. So total 724 customers per year. So and if you can say that one customers will give you $100 a year, then you would be losing around one 700 $224 a year, and that's a lot of money. And that's because your website is not function or file or sell in all the different browsers. That is exactly why you need cross browser testing.
Okay, we will see how to perform cross-browser testing. So mainly here we will see how process of the browser testing. Perform live interaction testing on all browsers, browser versions, and operating systems along with all major mobile devices. That means cross-browser testing is a type of testing to verify if an application works across different browsers as expected and degrades gracefully. It is the process of verifying your application compatibility with the different browsers. That means in day by day we are developing lot of applications and we are testing our application is running on different browsers or not. Here we suppose we are developed on application, we are testing our application is working or not in a different browsers like Firefox browser and different Safari and we will test our application is working or not in different browsers. If it is working, no problem. If not working, we will check and our application and we will develop another some debug and everything.
Slow, slow.
We will connect to all other browsers. Next, browser test means next slide. Okay, how to perform cross-browser testing means we are not using any installed application for cross-browser testing. Instead of that, we will use one official website. In that website, we will easy to how our application perform in different browsers. Nearly we have I think 200 browsers in that in that website, and all will support us how to our application to
Okay,
perform.
friends,
So
how
my
to
friend,
perform cross-browser testing? You already gave a brief discussion about the how to perform cross-browser testing. Here, basically, we are not going to install any software to test our web application. Instead of that, visit the official website, which is www.crossbrowser official website providing by SmartBear. Here I'm going to give a brief demo about the how to perform web application in cross-browser testing. This official website for cross-browser testing. Simply go to the Chrome and type www.crossbrowsertesting.com, provided by SmartBeer. Okay, this is the homepage of www.crossbrowsertesting.com by SmartBeer. You can see the products. If you want to see a demo about basically in this cross-border testing, there are four types of testing: live testing, visual testing, automated testing, record and replay testing. Basically, since this is a free trial version, in the free trial version, it is only performing the live testing, visual testing. If you want to test automated test and record and replay test also, if you want to you want to upgrade this website. So since there is a free trial version, I'm going to give a demo about the in live testing and record and replay testing. So first we will see about the live testing. Go to test center. You can view various testing types here. Live testing, and one is live testing, and second one is screenshot testing, and then automated and record and replay testing. Since it is a free trial version, we are going to see about the demo about the live testing and screenshot testing. This is the live testing. You can see your local connection off. If you want, if there is any web application in your desktop, If you want to perform your application, you can enable the local connection on, and you can perform your own web application which is not already there in the Chrome. Okay. If you want to perform any web browser, any another web browser, you can get the URL of any another website. Okay, I'm going to use a website of Java something. Okay, I'm going to copy the URL of Java inheritance point and see, then simply just paste it here. So here in the in live testing, you may familiar with what is testing. You in live testing, you can test your web application, any another web application in Windows or Mac or Chrome, in different OS and different web browsers. I am selecting Windows 10 and Chrome. Revolution version is 84 or 64. You can select also Firefox, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Opera. Since it is a free version, only some web browsers are available. If you want to test, if you want to more, you need to subscribe. Since it is a free trial version, okay, only we can test in this web browsers: Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and Opera. These are the various different browsers available in the free trial, and different OS available in the free trial are Windows, Mac, that is Windows 10 and Mac 10.14. You can perform it in mobile also, and you can choose a device. Since it is a free trial version, only there are two devices are available, and browsers also four are available on Safari, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and Chrome. Okay, without wasting time, we can go to run test. If you click on the run test, I have selected a Windows 10 and Chrome version, Chrome Windows as 10 version. It is going to test. This is the testing in Windows 10 and within in Chrome. It simply checks the how fast your web application in Windows 10 with Chrome. Okay, you can stop and check with it another different OS and with different different web browsers. I have already checked with Windows 10 and with Chrome. You can check it with Mac. Now you can check it with Mac and then Safari, different browsers as Chrome. I'm going to select with Firefox. I'm going to check my Mac with Firefox in this website. Run test. It is checking with Mac with the Firefox. It's launching. Start is successfully connected. You can check. You can observe here. This is the Windows version, Windows OS. I mean Mac OS and Firefox. This is the Firefox. You can check your web application performance with the different OS and with different browsers. This is the basically demo about the live testing. And next testing is you can stop it. And next testing screenshot testing.
Next,
Start testing.
next is the screen setting, screenshot. It is, I think it is similar to the live testing. Live testing. In live testing, you will see only one browser, how it is work our application. But in screenshot, we will see the different browsers at a single time. That means our application, it will run, I think how many browsers you want, it will run at a time. Okay, we will see how it is working in screenshot test. We will take any one application and we will see example. Okay. Sudhir, copy and paste. Okay. Here you will select Mac 84 resolution and Firefox 79 and Windows in everything we will take and at a time different browsers and we will check how the application is working.
I selected here with Windows and with Windows Chrome and Firefox and Opera.
And
Microsoft
Opera.
can check with it Windows 76 64-bit and Windows 7 version, Windows 8 version, and in Mac also, Mac with different versions also there. And you can check with mobile also, since it is a free,
Mobile means
only few mobiles
yeah.
are available. Okay, I'm selecting Chrome. It's not available. Okay, going to run test.
See how screenshot is working in different browsers. It's all running. Just wait 2 minutes. 2 minutes or 1 minute. This is Windows with Chrome, Windows with Mozilla, Windows with different all Safari and everything. We will check.
Here you can observe at a time in live testing. The difference between the live testing and screenshot testing is, in live testing you can check any with only one OS and with only one web browser at a time. In screenshot testing you can check many different OS and with many different web browsers at a time.
Yeah. See here, Windows and Firefox is running. Run. Remaining are loading. Windows and everything. Here Mac and Firefox. See everything is running at a time.
So you can observe Galaxy S10 10 version with Chrome 80 version. And this is iPad 6th generation. This is the various results in screenshot testing.
In screenshot, we will see different browsers with different operating systems at a time. We will.
Yeah. I think you are very clear with demo I gave about the live testing and testing. Firstly, you can observe performance and accessibility and SEO here. If you want to test your own web application which is not available in the Chrome, which is available in your
because
local connection on,
because it is free trial, no?
Yeah, and you can upload your local HTML files and proxy server. You have to enable the proxy server connection with your IP address to this one. So we are wind up in with lastly with advantages.
Next we will go advantages, disadvantages.
Finally, advantages of the cross-browser testing. So we can
here advantages of the cross-browser testing is problem. Okay, advantage here means resolves issues that might keep function of web app, makes you web app more successful, draws customers, improve look, feel and functionality of the application, eliminate the need for developing and maintaining separate tests. Here means accurately detects defects and issues in the system. In whatever our mistakes in the application, we will find out using this cross-browser testing and enhance browser compatibility also. There offers positive business images. Here mainly here we improve look, feel and functionality of the application. Whatever our mistakes, we will find out and we will correct it. Next, my friend will.
Okay, we are winding up in session. I think you are clear with overall clear with cross-browser testing. What is we are completed in the sessions. What is cross-browser testing and why you need cross-browser testing and what is cross-browser compatibility and how to perform.
Advantage and return.
And finally,
how to perform the cross. Yeah.
And finally, advantages. Okay. Thank you, friends.
Thank you, friends.